Hey guys, if this warning light is coming on in your car, immediately take it to the nearest AutoZone or take it home and park it if that's not too far away. So if that light is coming on, immediately turn off anything that would drain the battery, your radio, your air, your seat heaters, your headlights. Hopefully it's not nighttime when you get this warning message popping up, but just anything that would drain the battery, turn it off. That can mean one of a few things. Number one is that your battery is almost dead. A lot of Mercedes have more than one battery, so that can mean one or both of your batteries are about to die. It could mean a loose battery terminal connection, so check them, make sure they haven't wiggled off, or just make sure that they're not obviously loose or have come off the battery. And then the last and most scary option that it might be is a dead or a dying alternator, which can become dangerous fast. And if you can't immediately take it to an AutoZone, if your home is not that far away, see if you can get it home and park it. And if you have a battery charger at home, you can hook it up and at least charge your battery, so that way it'll at least start. AutoZone will test your battery and your alternator free. However, sometimes their equipment has a hard time getting a read on Mercedes alternators, but you can at least take it there, have them read the battery. If battery's good, you can eliminate that as an option. However, if your battery is good, that most likely means that your alternator is dying or dead. And if that's the case, your battery is going to drain quick. And if your alternator's dead and your battery runs out of juice, your car can just shut off while you're driving. So hopefully it's just your battery. In my case, it was a bad alternator, unfortunately. And if your alternator does need to be replaced, if that's the issue, then you can expect to pay, I would say, somewhere around $800 to even over $1,000, depending on where you get it repaired and if that is the issue. Hopefully it's just something as simple as a dying battery and not your alternator. So anyways guys, I hope this helped. So best of luck. If this video helped you, leave me a like. And if this happened to you, leave me a comment below letting me know whether it was your battery, your alternator, or what the problem ended up being for you. I'd be interested to know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.